Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today, we are unboxing the Benewake TF03-180 UDAR Module. The TF03 is an industrial-grade high-speed LiDAR equipped with compensation algorithms for outdoor glare and other interference, allowing it to function properly in environments with strong light, as well as in rain, fog, and snow conditions. The TF03 measures 44 mm, 43 mm, 32 mm and weighs 77 g. It supports a power voltage of DC 5V and has a power consumption of less than or equal to 0.9 W. The communication interfaces are UART and CAN. The TF03 uses the time-of-flight principle, with a unique design of the optical system and signal processing circuits to enhance detection performance within a compact size. It is a long-range distance sensor, capable of measuring up to 180 meters. It features high encapsulation rates, multiple interfaces, and a small size that makes it easy to integrate. The high-speed measurement can reach 10 kHz with high repeatability. It has excellent anti-interference capabilities, making it suitable for outdoor use. That concludes the demonstration. Thank you for watching. If you want to learn more, please follow the World Drone Market channel. See you in the next video.